So, welcome back to the DAYM podcast, where we've blasted out of 2025 into 2026. It is December 3rd, 10 a.m. USA. What's going on? You're on the handheld, not the telephones, but the handheld video camera. Look. When are you seeing this? What's new? So far today, it's 10 a.m. I've rearranged my closet, folded some clothes, rearranged my bookshelf, got my back brace back out, was putting that on, got my yoga mat out, organized some of my exercise gear, cooked some breakfast, and was looking for my camera, and I think I found it, and wanted to record something to mention a nod to acceptance of where we are presently on the journey, and being able to see beyond the idea of the completion that we're imagining, and into the feeling, the emotions that are going to be felt after moving from one end of the journey to the other end of the journey. So, how about a short video? DAYM. Damn. What do you usually say when you have a chance to do something but you miss the opportunity? You had a good idea, but you never took action on it, and then now you see it on the shelves, you see it advertised, or at least a very similar idea. Or you had a concept of something that you wanted to do, you want to talk to somebody, approach somebody, business or pleasure, and you never did it, but then somebody else did, and where does that leave you? Why does that leave you there? How come? What were you waiting on? Were you waiting on a moment, some kind of opportunity, some kind of signal that would be, I don't know, discretionary, and you could say, this is a signal for me? Why does it have to be a unique signal that you would accept? Wouldn't that just go into the daily catalog of acceptance? You want something that stands out. You want a signal, and you get these signals, but then they're not enough. You don't take action on them, and you see somebody else, you see all this happening in other people's lives, and you say, damn. I had the chance, but I didn't take the chance. I didn't move forward. So that's why I'm here today. Short video, right? I tried. DAYM. Don't abandon your moments. Everyone needs these moments to look and act and dress and walk and talk a certain way. But what do people say always? What's that old corny line? Oh, if I'm on this side of the grass, then it's always a good day. But you're not acting like it's a good day. You're not acting like it's all gravy, baby. You're not acting like you high frequency. You're acting like what your sense of reality is right now. Usually. But again, I can't talk for everybody. So shout out to everybody that is excited. Hi, how you doing? What's good? I'm going to get back to being me, chilling. I just wanted to get a little video, put it together for you. So how's this for a hot five? DAYM. Welcome back to the DAYM podcast. Like, share, subscribe. I don't care. We out. Peace.